Guys, welcome to the latest edition of Jeeps with John. Today we're going over the 2020 Recon. From what I can tell, this is hands down the best value for your money out of the special editions. This particular one is a $2,700 package, and I add it all up, you're getting over $4,000 of hard ads. So starting off, it comes standard with the steel bumper group, but it's not just any steel bumper group. You actually get little added protection with the bar there. I think at parts that's a $300 aftermarket ad. The black front grille is standard there as well. That's usually a $300 option, as well as the LED lighting group, which is usually $1,300 bucks. So you're gonna get graphics as well. So you have kind of a cool thing there. It talks about the rock track transfer case and 410 gear ratios and lockers, pretty slick. A lot of red and black accents throughout, which looks nice. You do get some extra badging there. The wheel's slightly different. So it's the same wheel you get with the Rubicon, but it has quite a bit more black on it. Pretty attractive change, I think. You do pick up an enhanced rock rail. So I'll get on the side shots. You can tell it's a little deeper. You can actually operate it a little bit more like a step than the standard one. It's also got a little more texture to it. So hard to see in the video, but a little more grab to it, which is gonna be nice if you're trying to use it as a step. Again, red and black, right? So you get red seat belts, red stitching, as well as red Rubicon there. That continues on to your door cards and your steering wheel. Same red theme in the rear, looks awesome. And we'll come around to the back. So you're getting, again, the LED package, so LED taillights. Again, steel rear bumper. And the last thing on here is the reinforced tire carrier. That's usually a $700 option. So that's the Recon, guys. Again, a $2,700 package. Get you about $4,000 worth of ads. For any other questions on this particular one, please feel free to give me a shout in the comments, or you can reach me at 502-459-9900.